Starboard side!
Oh, there's a blunderbuss here.
I can't be alone.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Okay.
There's a boat. There's a boat.
You black flag!
Do you need us?
Of course.
Okay, we gotta go.
They're right beside
We're out, we're out, baby.
Okay, go, let's go.
We're out! Let's go!
Middle mouse.
Oh, look at the thing in the center. Oh, look at this cannon.
Jesus.
Alright, we need to charge them. We're not winning this any other way.
Hi, Yoto.
Goodbye, you.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello.
Blazing Sails is a game that takes after another, but that one isn't on sale on Steam, so I didn't get it. I got Blazing Sails. The game is a quick-paced battle royale, but it retires some of the boring ideas from the other battle royales, and takes a few interesting ones from other games. In this game, you take 4 of your friends and do glorious warfare upon the seas with your ship. You do this while trying to plunder all the lands around you to get resources to keep your ship afloat, because goddamn, do you need a lot of wood in this game.
Jesus, people are already walloping each other over here.
Get this guy who has fucking actual clothes on, get him, lads. Bait him.
Get this loser. Okay, I'm using my.
Land ho on left, should we go, Captain?
Navigator,
my
where are we off?
Captain, we're gonna hit the fucking... Yeah, we're good.
No,
we're
no,
good.
we're turning, we're alright. Did burn. Oh look, a box in the city.
I'll get us!
And
Jumping anchor!
Jesus Christ, what's wrong with you?
Right, have you got the box yet?
Oh, we're getting over to us. It's... Jesus, there's actually a first mount in here, lads. I'm coming.
What the...
oh yeah, you can like block.
I found some treasure!
For me, I can like do like a shotgun shot.
Boys!
I
Get
got
over here
one.
now!
What is that? That's a flare. Is that us?
Yeah, I think so. I found some treasure, and there's butcher's knives and stuff over here for people.
I'm
I've
afraid
got
of
a big sword with big, like, wooden yoke on it.
Because apparently you respawn if you die. Middle mouse.
Oh, look at the thing in the center! Oh, look at this cannon! We need to do a U-turn. Should I put the anchor down?
We've already don't attack.
Theo, you've gone straight out of the zone.
Well, no one gave me bearings, Mr. Navigator.
Go, Captain, go!
We need to go southeast.
The wind is with us. The wind is in the sails. We're flying. More sails. More sails.
More sails?
Yeah, more.
Can't do it, Captain.
More.
As we all know, in games there is the honeymoon stage, where you are so dumbstruck with the discovery and experiencing everything for the first time. It brings you a glorious warmth. But that always fades, especially when you're dealing with games like this one, in the Battle Royale genre, because there's not much other than the single objective you have, which is to be the last man standing. Your only objective in this game is to win. There it is!
Ship.
Fire at will.
Just do regular cannonballs until we know what we're what kind of firing.
I can't shoot it, I can't shoot it.
Stop turning like this. We can't hit them.
You have to keep her straight, Captain.
Distance.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and get them to drop anchor by firing in front of them. Oh, we're so close.
We're getting hit big time.
Trying to keep us
Break
in
the
one
chain.
piece down here.
Where's the chain? We need to break it. Oh, we have a leak down here.
What the hell?
Fixing them.
How do I remove the chain?
Are we in the last circle?
We need to remove the chain.
Oh, you have to hit it with a melee weapon.
Oh,
Oh my
Oh
god.
no, I'm not hitting shite in a barrel.
yeah, the waves have gone against us.
I'm trying to keep her in one piece, Captain.
Oh, I got them. I hit them. Like the same with their cannons.
She's filling with water.
Circling them in the whirlpool.
Oh my god, there's so many holes in this ship. It's like my Aunt Susan.
Oh, Jesus, they're hitting us good now.
Alright, we need to charge them. We're not winning this any other way.
It's like my Aunt Susan.
I hit them again. Oh, I can't.
Corey, I'll get off. I'm dead.
No, Joe is dead.
He hit me with the
I'm on the can here. There are 4 of us.
They're on our boat. They're on the boat.
Where are they?
Oh, I ran upstairs thinking it was one of you and he just shot me in the head.
Came second.
That was insane.
Okay, I know there's only one objective, and it's to win. I never said we were going to do it anytime soon, because dear God, do we do a fair amount of losing this game. My only gripe with this game is one thing that I need to tell you now, okay? It's that one poor fucker has to sit down and slave away under the ship, keeping the ship afloat while everyone else has the fun shooting the cannons, steering the ship, and going on to the enemy ship to kill and plunder. And of course, pull the cork.
Oh, there's a starboard side!
Oh, there's a blunderbuss here.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Okay.
There's a boat. There's a boat.
Black flag!
Do you need us?
Of course.
Okay, we gotta go.
That black boat was coming for us there.
Oh, no! Prepare to board.
I'm gonna ram them.
They're fast.
We're actually so fast. What the hell?
Yeah, because we're sailing with the wind.
No, I hit the fucking.
Savvy Goon, go!
No, fuck them. Forget them.
No, we have cannonballs. They don't.
We're at the island. We're at the island. Yeah, drop anchor.
We came here to loot Kraken Keep.
Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up.
I ran all the way up to the top of this big tower.
He's coming up on the stairs, guys.
I hit him. I hit the guy coming up the stairs.
They run through and track one.
Oh shit!
Like,
I see him. I'm
right
looking at him.
below you guys. There's someone on me. There's someone on me.
On you, you're blue. I'm coming to you. Oh yeah, there he is.
Hit him. I hit him with the sniper.
Headshot,
He rushed
baby.
Corey.
Yeah, I see him.
I killed a guy.
Wait, there was a guy behind us. Where did he go?
Yeah, he's
Killed him, I downed him,
running
I
away
downed
from- Oh, nice.
Where did the guy that was over
There's
there?
another guy here. There's another guy here.
There's a guy going for our ship. There's a guy going for.
There's a guy
They're going
here.
for our ship.
There's a guy here.
Like, see the ship that's heading towards ours.
Yeah, okay, I'm going back to our ship
Yeah.
now. I went back to our ship and it's just sailing around.
Yeah, okay. It isn't anchored.
Our ship was making a swift getaway.
That's
Hell
brilliant.
yeah, dude. Hell
I mean-
fucking yeah.
Pilots itself. Oh, there it is, yeah. There's nothing coming at
Guys, look over here.
Wow.
Wilson!
Pull anchor.
Okay, cool.
What are we gonna do? Where's the boat?
Air.
Okay, shoot. Attack, boys.
Oh, I got hit.
Okay, we got hit with like a heavy one.
They're turning. I'm turning. I'm turning left. Shooting with our right cannons. I've been eliminated. There's a guy on our boat. He's on our steering wheel.
He is? Oh god, he is.
He just shot me in the. He just killed me.
Our boat is turning now. and we're not-
I'm dead. I died. He's back on the boat. He's
I
underneath.
left it fucking turning.
A guy is attacking the other boat. Guys, you need to get underneath as well. Get under. Oh, we're dead.
We're dead.
Yeah, we're fucked.
I killed one of them.
Okay, let's play catch.
Yeah.
Failure after failure after failure. I am so fucking positive that I am to face her again. But we are enduring the pain of losing constantly. And eventually, I'm telling you now, we're going to pick up a strategy that will be used against us, and it will be painful, but we can adapt it for ourselves. And surely then, we can get a W for once.
I opened a chest. There's loads of upgrades. I'm taking them all.
This is loaded. One of them's coming. Okay, he's about to board us. I hit him once. He's about to be on. He's on.
He's gone under. Hit him. Headshot.
He's dead. He's dead.
We need to repair. Someone get on the water pump.
I'm on. Okay. You two repair.
Repairing like never works for me. I don't know how to do it.
You need to have wood and just
I have
hold it
wood,
left click
oh god, I'm being hit.
on holes in the hole.
There's one on the There's one on the floor. There's one. He's hitting me. He's cutting me real bad. He won't stop. Okay.
He's cutting me up too. I'm dead. Lose. Get hearing them say easy is so sad.
Oh my god. Easy game.
Okay. One's over here.
Okay, we'll swim around long.
Yeah. But they've definitely seen us. 'Cause he's up there. He's looking at us.
Yeah, he doesn't have any weapons though, Theo.
Alright, we gotta go.
Alright, you here?
Oh, Sammy, are you going?
I'm on the way, man.
Pull the cork.
I'm pulling it. I'm pulling it.
Away as well.
Pull the
There you
cork and defend it down there. I'm on my way.
All the ammo, dude.
Make sure to defend the cork because they can't just fix it. We have decent weapons so we can kind of hold them off it.
Okay.
I put a TNT barrel on the ground.
No, shoot it.
Everyone get away from it. Everyone get away from it.
Oh, they're here.
I headshot him and he's still alive.
Killed one.
Headshot.
Good, good.
Right, right.
Headshot, headshot.
Killed another one.
Okay, don't drown. Just leave.
Well, we need to make sure it goes down.
Guys, I just looted 2 cannon upgrades off them.
You do need to make sure it goes down. Oh, that's epic. I have loads of upgrades too.
They're back.
It's gone down.
Let's get out of here, boys.
There's already TNT on
Oh,
it.
there's people near me.
Okay, okay, cool.
Raise the anchor, raise
I'm
the
raising
anchor.
it, I'm
We're
raising
going now. We're attacking now. Before they catch
Theo,
wind.
TP back as fast as you can.
I'm trying to. This guy chasing me.
Before they get wise.
Alright, I'm teleporting back.
The front cannon. Heavy cannon is loaded. Ooh, let's go.
Attack.
Oh, I've been hit.
Oh,
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Keep going, keep going. Raid.
I'm pulling the cork. Alright, they're gonna TP back. Everyone to the top.
No, they spawn down here though.
Do they spawn down here?
This corner here. Yeah, at least often enough they do. I think they might be random, but I often spawn here, so I think that's really cool. I think they're just dead. Yeah, they're just done.
Alright, get ready to loot them, guys.
Find the ship.
Check out the island. There's a guy on the island. 2 people come to our boat from the island.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I see them.
We're gonna get boarded.
Yep, he's killed me. He has us.
I killed him.
Yeah, that's one. One's firing from off the island.
Oh, you're right.
I'm dead.
There's 2 of them.
Let's just dip. We need
Oh,
to
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
leave.
I'm pulling the. Oh, is it just me? I can't dip. The anchor's down.
I'm up in a second.
I'm up in 10.
No,
They
jump
killed
on.
me.
No, Corey, don't do that. He's watching.
No, I should pick up the battle drink.
Okay, we're all up. We're all up.
He is watching. He is watching. Get battle drink.
Just keep
Get some
pushing.
ammo.
We need to keep rushing the captain because we can't stay here until they get us. His gun
Yeah.
doesn't do enough damage. We're up. We just need to pick a direction.
Yep. Okay. There's a guy on our boat. There's a guy on our boat.
Oh, he is.
Hit him once.
I got killed again.
I got killed again too. Why can't we just go? Why aren't we
We need
moving?
to turn. We need to turn. That's why.
Oh my god.
They're shooting at you.
I'm dead.
They're right beside
We're
you.
out. We're out, baby.
Right.
Okay, cool. Let's
Oh,
go.
no.
We're out. Let's go.
They're bored. No, we're gonna cry.
It's going in a circle.
We actually got away. Let's go.
Just try to circle around and come back and get them. We have the fastest
Oh yeah, I
ship,
can
so-
see the ship now.
That's starboard. Starboard is right.
Hit him.
Oh, he has a gun. Okay, he has a marksman rifle thing. They're coming for our boat. They're coming for ours. They're hitting.
I'm pulling their cork.
He killed me with one shot.
Yeah,
Oh,
he
man.
killed
The
me
cork's
with one
pulled.
shot
You
as well.
guys just
Killed one.
defend.
Killed one.
Jeez, sorry. Well, some about the hits. Like,
You know me, man.
Mr. Joe, you don't want me over there?
Oh shit, maybe.
I'm coming over.
Yeah, fuck it. We'll just rush them as fast as we can.
Yeah, they're all underneath. They're all underneath.
When I respawn, I'm gonna stay on defense.
Just jump off the boat. While
The other ship's visible.
Is their boat down? Is their boat down?
It's down.
Okay, cool. Let's just get the fuck out of here then.
The other ship is behind us. Look at it. It's behind us.
Oh, fuck. Okay. We need to go.
Should we just charge them as well?
We need
Yeah,
to shoot
dude,
them.
I'm slapping an explosive barrel on it. We're good. Oh no, that's gonna hit us. Oh,
I don't have any ammo. Fuck.
I'm charging.
Go forward. Go forward. Yeah.
Oh god, they're hitting me. They have like a cannon.
We've hit them. Yeah, I'm just trying to get out.
They keep getting shot with
One of
one.
them's on our boat.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Go.
We just, yeah, the boat will sail itself. Hopefully not into the red zone though.
Oh, we'll go into the
I'm
red
dead.
zone, I want it.
He's gonna pull the cork.
Corey,
He's
you
really
kill
low.
that guy because I'm gonna stop us from going into the red zone. I assume we will. They're to our right. You see them?
Yeah, I see one. We don't have as many cannons as they do.
I'm ramming them.
I'm on the front side.
Oh god.
I'm
oh,
dead.
God.
Get out of there, get out of there.
Railed on. All their cannons.
God.
Fuck me.
I'm blown up by it.
Okay, Okay, I'm getting out of here.
Yes, out. Get out.
Oh,
Get
fuck,
off.
He's on me. We're gonna go into the red.
Oh, we are getting out of here.
No, we're dead. Shit.
Damn it. Fucking damn it.
Damn it, man.
Right, so we didn't win that game. I lied. But that don't mean we won't win the next one.